Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook page from people in specific countries using your PC. Whether you're managing a business, a community, or a personal brand, sometimes you need a little extra control over who can see your page. With Facebook's latest update, it's easier than ever to set up country restrictions. Let's get started. First, open Facebook from your browser and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click on your profile photo. This will bring up a menu where you'll see all the pages you manage. Click on the page you want to edit. Now that you're on your page, head over to your page's profile photo and click on it. This will open up the main menu for your page. From here, find the option labeled Settings and Privacy and click on it. Then, select Settings to access all the controls for your page. Next, in the left-hand menu, scroll down and click on Follower and Public Content. This section controls who can follow your page and how your content is shared publicly. Now, look for the Country Restrictions option. Click on Edit next to it. Here's where you can choose the countries you want to restrict. Type in the names of the countries you want to hide your page from. Facebook will show suggestions as you type, so you can select the right ones easily. After you've added all the countries you want, make sure to select Hide from Certain Countries. This setting ensures that only people outside of those countries can see your page. Finally, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. That's it. Your page is now hidden from the countries you selected. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.